rid of all this rosacea. We're just blending it in, and if you notice, I took a lot of the warmth away. Here's your cheekbone, right? Right there. Stay away from the apple of your cheek. And just make it look, not sink, but what we're trying to do is illuminate this part to pull it up. If you see, it's pulled up. And it's important to keep your contour where you wanted it. Don't over blend it. What you want to do is just kind of define your jaw. Keep away from your chin, and just under the jawbone you want to make this shadow happen. We're going to concentrate most of the color or all of the color on the outside edge. The wax product is strictly on the top. So what we're doing is we're just slowly building. Now, I notice when you look in the mirror, you won't see the wax, but you have to remember where you put it. And the powder will literally stick to the wax. Connect the bottom to the top, roll it up. Both waterlines, the inside lash line, top and bottom. Putting it so it's a dot in the center, and then you just blend it straight up. Don't go out.
Okay. me.